Hi and welcome back to Chris Jenkins Golf Academy. Today we're going to talk about the grip and getting the hands on the club correctly. There's one thing that hits the golf ball and directs where it will start, which is the club face, and there's only one thing that can control that, and that's the hands. The most common reason for hitting a slice is that the hands are in the wrong position to start off with. So today we're going to be having a look at that. So the first thing we're going to do is to make sure that the club face is square. We're going to make sure that's pointing in the right direction. Square is at the leading edge, is forming a right angle with where you're trying to start the ball. Okay, and that's where you want to start the ball, not where you want it to end up. So we put the club down behind the ball. We're going to get the left hand. We're going to point the finger straight down towards your left toe. Get the base of the little finger on the side, running through to the middle joint of the forefinger, and then curl the hand so the heel of the hand is sitting on the top of the club. That's close to the top of the grip. We've got about 1.5 inches or 2 from the end of the grip to the little finger. The most important thing here is that you can see 2.5 knuckles at least in that left hand, and that V is then pointing up towards my right shoulder. The thumb is just down the right side of the centre because that helps you support the club through the backswing. The right hand goes on. Again, we try and put the middle joints, the gap between the middle joints and the base of the little finger of the fingers underneath the club, and then we curl the thumb on the top of the left thumb. We can see a V formed by a thumb or forefinger up towards a gap between the neck and my right shoulder. But that means that I'm in a position to return the club correctly. Now, if you're someone who hooks the golf ball, you may well see the hands in that position. That's what we call a strong position. That would always close the club face. And if you were someone who sliced it, you're going to be more like that, because that's what we call a weak position. Very, very common for people who slice the ball and make the ball go off to the right. So that's how we hold the club correctly. It's really important to do that to hit the ball straight. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.